Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to assign a ringtone to one specific number. So first things first, let's head over to the menu by pressing the middle button, and you want to come up to the contact section here. Let's go into that. Now you want to go into the names on the contacts, and here I only have two different people. However, you can come to any contact you want, and then you want to go into the contact by pressing the middle button. Then once you're in the contact, you can press this top hotkey here for the options. Now here you have many different options available, but you want the third one on the list here, assign tone. So we go into that. Now currently it'll be the default ringtone that you have set. However, you want a different one for this number when it calls you, you can come down and select it. So now whenever Bill calls you, this number will have that specific ringtone, and you can do this for each individual person. So now all these people will have different ringtones for them. So that is how to assign a specific ringtone to each contact on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.